Home remedies for joint pain. Arthritis is not just a single disease, but painful and degenerative conditions marked by inflammation, pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints. Its symptoms develop over time, and thought it is common to see people over the age of 65 get affected by it, but children and young adults are known to be equally prone to it. The tenacity of this common yet painful condition tends to increase during cold winter days. Arthritis is a way of referring to joint pain or joint disease, which means it is an inflammation of the joints and can affect one or multiple joints. The symptoms of arthritis are most commonly seen in adults above the age of 60 to 65 years. Cold weather only adds to the excessive pain, stiffness, and swelling in the joints. We have listed out few easy to follow and effective home remedies that can help you manage pain and prevent additional damage to the joints. But remember to consult your doctor before trying them out. Maintain weight. Being overweight can lead to application of excess of pressure on your knees and joints that can eventually lead to the problem of arthritis. Fat itself is an active tissue that releases pro-inflammatory chemicals in the body. To avoid such a situation, eat a healthy and balanced diet, exercise regularly, stay active, and maintain a healthy and positive lifestyle. Apple cider vinegar. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to get relief from chronic pain like arthritis. It helps to restore the lubrication in the joints, which reduces the pain and makes it easy for you to move your legs. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink the concoction daily before going to bed. Turmeric. Turmeric is a magical spice that has a very long history of medicinal use. This yellow spice contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. The compound helps to alleviate the symptoms of joint pain and inflammation. Add ginger and turmeric in a glass of water and boil it for 12 to 15 minutes. Drink this mixture daily for some relief. Nirgundi. It is one of the most common herbs used to bring respite in joints. The plant is easily available and is known to reduce swelling as well as excessive pain. Its potent anti-inflammatory, anti-convulsing, and antioxidant properties help the joints in many ways. The leaves of the plant Nirgundi are believed to have the most medicinal properties, followed by the stem and the seeds. The plant is bitter in taste and has heart potency, making it useful in this condition. You can use the Nirgundi oil and apply it on joints, make a paste of the leaves and apply or also make a leaf decoction. Ajwain. It acts as a natural aid to arthritis pain due to the presence of anti-inflammatory components. It also contains anesthetic properties that further help in relieving excessive pain during winter. All you need to do is to add a spoonful of carom seeds or ajwain in a tub of hot water and soak your aching joints in the water and sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This will help ease swelling and pain. Another way is to crush these seeds and make a paste and apply it on the affected areas in order to alleviate the pain. Alternatively, you can drink ajwain water every day. Deshmul. It is not one Ayurvedic herb, but a mix of 10 medicinal herbs that are used to cure a variety of ailments. Deshmul literally translates to 10 roots, out of which 5 roots are of trees and 5 are of shrubs. These include patala, gambari, brihati, shalparni, and more. Deshmul or Deshmula is effective in inflammatory conditions in the body or vata rog. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, analgesic, and sedative properties help cure joint pain. It is available in the form of oil and powder. Shellaki. This herb is known to keep your joints strong and relieve them from any pain. It not only reduces the pain, but also helps in diminishing the swelling and further increases mobility. Popularly known as Boswellia serrata, Shellaki is also sometimes used by experts as a substitute to modern painkillers. It is available in the form of essential oil and powder. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus oil makes for the most common herbal treatment for arthritis. The eucalyptus plant leaves contain tannins that may be helpful in reducing swelling and the pain arthritis causes. The aroma of eucalyptus oil is said to have calmative effects on the brain, while the oil relieves you from the pain and swelling in the joints. Ginger. Yet another reason to store ginger in your kitchen cabinet. Ginger is known for its exceptional antiseptic properties that help reduce joint pain and swelling. It is also known to increase blood circulation, which brings heat and healing properties to the affected areas. You can drink ginger tea or apply ginger paste on your joints and can also apply a good quality essential oil.